Welcome back to your Google Classroom. Ms. Palin here, telling you about a great way to sum up the entire year, the digital memory book. So for your assignment for the next couple of weeks, we are going to be working on our digital memory book. You'll click on it right here where it says My Digital Memory Book. Now you don't need to create a Google Slides presentation. I have already created that for you. So this will open up. Now as you can see, I've got a nice background and then I've got slides all about me. Right here is where you can add your own text. You can also insert your own images. You can put another text box in here, and this is a place that you can insert school appropriate videos. And of course we have the shapes, the charts, diagrams, and here's your word art right here. The next slide I have for you is all about my friends. Well, one cool feature in Google Slides that you can't do with a typical memory book is share it. It would be kind of nice to share this with a friend, and your friend could write you a little message. I had fun playing with you. Now, whenever you're signing somebody's, make sure you put your name at the end, so they always remember who it was that wrote that to them. All right, let's move on. The next slide, what I learned in ELA. Now, ELA encompasses both reading and writing. What I learned in math, what I learned in social studies and science, what I learned in art, music, PE, library, and humanities, what I did at recess, field trips, special days, which is open for you, and my faves. So let's take field trips, for example. If you didn't go on one this year, you can simply click here and edit this, and you could make it a different topic. For example, my finest moment. And then you could write all about your finest moment in your school this year. Okay, let's go back to the beginning. Right up here in this slide, I've created this background for you. You can change this background. Remember, you are the creative director. Remember, make this something you're proud of. This will be something you look back on for a long time. All right, let's get to work and create.